Come test drive the 2024 Altima. This vehicle is powered by a 4-cylinder, 2.5-liter engine and comes with a continuously variable transmission. This vehicle has less than 70,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: perimeter alarm, body color door handles, Inside you'll find smart device integration, trip computer, power rear window sunshade. The Nissan Altima offers advanced features to make life easier, including push-button ignition, which comes standard. Combine that with a powerful engine and standard airbags and over 5,000 quality and performance tests, and you'll see the Nissan Altima is made to drive and built to last. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.